Hey, welcome back to the channel. As you saw in the thumbnail, we're going to be installing some paddle shifters in the Kona N. Yeah. Also going to install the K&N Intake back, but I do want to give it sort of a new finish so it looks different or kind of more OEM-ish in the engine bay. So I'll be doing that. And shout out to Ant. He put me on to these magnetic paddle shifters from TDD. Can't wait to try them out. They sound great. Right now, I currently have these little guys. These are just paddle extensions that go onto the OEM one. I'll go through as much as possible, but gotta remove the airbag, unplug these, plug the new shifters in, and we should be good to go, so stay tuned. Here's the K&N Intake out. No particular reasons. I know the K&N has more noise and it's a little bit colder weather with an open box, so you're gonna increase, not performance, but just the enjoyment, so. Let this thing dry a bit. Came out decent. Probably could do a good job, but gonna put it back in here. Don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just gonna quickly do a little one of these things. All right, got the box in. Just gotta tighten things down. Bam. I even had an extra K&N sticker that I put right there because there was some rubbing last time, so maybe the sticker will help protect the piping a little bit. Only other thing is I masked out these. I might just go back and just paint it. A little annoying, but I think for the most part it looks pretty sick with black piping. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's get a little cold start from the outside of the K&N Intake. K&N definitely sucks louder. All right, doing a little drive. Got the paddles installed. Let's see if you can hear it on the screen. Sounds good. A little downshift. There's police there. Downshift action. Oh man, these things sound... Can you hear the clicking, Zoe? Sounds cool. She doesn't care. But yeah, these are from TDD Motorsports. Yeah, magnetic shifters, probably at the fraction of the price of the other magnetic shifters that I've seen online. They usually run around $300, $400, $500 versus this one being under $200 that I got direct from the TDD website. I've seen them on Amazon, but they do run a little bit more expensive on Amazon. So just be wary of that. Again, I'll drop a link in the description below. And yeah, they sound great. And you know, I opted for the sort of shorter paddle, so it doesn't have like the bottom piece. I don't shift from the bottom anyway, so I just kind of went with the, oh man, I'm just enjoying the driving here. Regular size that just, you know, shows on the top and comes in carbon fiber, so that's pretty cool. Also, paint job on the intake tube was cool. Probably not the best, but also just wanted to switch it up a bit. Might look to touch it up. And yeah, I'll drop a link if you want to do something similar. It's a little click and click, click. So I hope you liked that video. Might be a short one, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate the support the last couple years. It's coming up on maybe, is it 3 years almost? 2.5, 3 years on YouTube. So that's exciting. Again, the liking, commenting, subscribing helps a lot with the algorithm. And I appreciate you guys a lot. And so does my daughter. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.